Hi, welcome back. 欢迎回来. This is vocabulary. In this video, I will explain how to express time. In Chinese, 时间. Let's use 8 o'clock in the morning as an example. Here, the black one in the morning, we say in Chinese, 上午. Black part. 上午. 是昂上午上午 and the red is 8 o'clock. It's 8. It's a number. 8 o'clock 点. So all together we say 上午8点. Remember we put the morning in the front. And then is the time. For morning, there's another two way to mention it. 早上, 早晨. All of these three means morning. Let me repeat. 上午8点. 早上8点. You can see here it didn't put the sign of the tongue because when you're talking, you use it a little bit light. Say 早上. You don't say 早上. 早上8点. 早晨8点. 早晨. The pronounce of this one is 滋. If you have problem to pronounce 诗 and 滋, please go back to the section of pronunciation. Okay. Here I explain 3 new words. The first one we learned in last slide is morning. We say 上午. Second is noon. 中午. Third, afternoon. 下午. You will see all of these three have 午. Actually, 午 means noon. 12 o'clock. 午. So before 12 o'clock is morning. 上 means up. Up on or above. Before. 中 means middle, medium. 下 means down, below, or under. So before noon, above noon is morning, 上午. And the middle of noon is a repeat. Actually, the middle of the day is 12 o'clock. 中午. 下午 means after lunchtime, after 12 o'clock. Let me repeat. 上午, 是昂上午. 中午, 之翁中午. 西啊下午下午. Another 3 words for different period of the day. Early morning. 清晨. 清晨. Evening. 傍晚. 傍晚. Didn't get too dark yet. Night. 晚上. 晚上. So 晚 actually means night, means late. Close to a little late. 傍晚. 晚上. And for hour, in Chinese, they say 小时，小时。 西敖小时 For minute, we say 分钟 分分之翁中分钟 Hour and minute 小时分钟 Alright, let's go to the clock. Let's see how we express the time. The first one is the full time, from 1 until 12. Use 9 o'clock as an example. You directly say 9 o'clock. We learned number in the first video for vocabulary. 9 is 9 o'clock, 点 9点 So for all of this time are the same. You just put the number in front of the o'clock. For example, 1 o'clock is 1点 right? And for 2 o'clock, usually people talk 2点 As I mentioned, that 2 means 2. It's more oral language. 3 o'clock, 3点 3 o'clock. Just put the number in front of the o'clock, 点. Okay, here is 11:15. Our quarter past 11 o'clock. In Chinese, we say first the hour and then the minute. We start with 11 is number 11, 11 plus o'clock, 点 11点 Okay, then 15 minutes. 15 means 15. 分 is minutes, is shortened. We learned in last slide is 分钟. Here we don't say 钟, we just say 分. You even make it shorter, you don't say even 分, you just say 11点15. Then you know it's 15 minutes after 11 o'clock. And the second way to mention this minute when it's exactly at the quarter of an hour, we say 一刻钟, a quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. 一刻钟, or you don't use 钟, you just say 一刻. So come together, you say 11点一刻 means 11:50. 11点15 11点一刻 Okay. So next one, for half an hour. Here is 2:30, 2:30, right? You can say both way in Chinese too. Say 2点30, 2:30, right? Or you say 2点30分钟. Or you can say 2点30分. So this one can be put at the end or not put, up to you. The second way is 2:30. You say 2点半. 半 means half. Okay? 2点30 or 2点半. Here, as I mentioned, you don't write 2 like R. Usually people don't talk in that way. You say 2点 means 2. Okay, let's go for the last one. This is 4:45. In Chinese, 4 o'clock, we say 4点 4点 45 45分 It's a combination of 40 plus 5. 45. 45分. You can decide by yourself if you want to say 分 or not. Another way to mention 45 minutes is 3刻 means 3/4 of an hour. 3刻钟. Again, this 钟 can be omit. You don't necessarily to say this 钟. 3刻. Two way to mention this time. 4点45分 or 4点3刻. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you feel difficult to pronounce all of these words, please go back to the section of pronunciation. Thank you. Bye.